Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Match dating site on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, go click open your web browser, and once you do that, type in www.match.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Match is an online dating service with websites serving over 50 countries in 12 languages. It is headquartered in Texas. If you want to log into Match online dating service, then from the official website, go and click on the sign in button at the upper right corner and you'll be taken to its sign in page. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Not a Member Join link and follow the instructions to register yourself to a new account. Once you have an account, you can come to this page and type in your email address in the first text field. Now, once you're done, move on to the next text field and type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password associated with your account. If you want to double check before moving on, click on this eye icon at the right corner to reveal them. If you happen to forget your email address and your password, you can click on these links below. Following the instructions will help you retrieve your email address and also to reset your forgotten password. If you want to stay signed in, then leave the box checked. If not, then uncheck this box since you don't want anyone snooping through your personal profile in the particular device. After you're done, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into Match online dating service. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.